There's only one thing in our lives that we are never able to acquire once it's gone. And I'm not talking about money, I'm not talking about material items, I'm talking about time. You can always become who you want to become. No one is ever or will ever keep you from that other than yourself. You are where you are because that is where you have decided to be. There's no moment more important and more perfect than right now. Not in a week and not in 30 years. Just right now. The greatest gift a human being could ever receive is to be alive, right here and right now. So make the best of it and be the best version of yourself you can possibly be.